All right, so here's those puzzles. I think this is the first Harbor Freight product that is not a tool that I'm doing a review on. And there's quite a few of these. There's 13 of these different puzzles, and they're $1.49, which I'll jump over to the website here and we'll take a quick peek at these, and we'll get back to this. All right, here we are on the Harbor Freight website, and here's those puzzles. Now, I didn't even knew these existed till I clicked on the new category tool up here, new tools, and this is how this popped up. And there's 13 different ones that you can choose from. And think about the price. These are only $1.49, so they're really, really cheap. Something you can pick up with your kids. All right, let's get back to the puzzle. Now, when I was looking for these at my store, it wasn't easy. I had to ask. And they're all on one peg. So if you're looking at getting these, you'll have to take them off the peg and look through which ones you want. Now, I bought 3 of them. The missile truck, the helicopter, and the armored vehicle. So let's put together this armored vehicle one. JP assembled size, 130 by 75 by 75 millimeter. All right. It is a choking hazard, small parts, not children under 3. Okay, let's open up. I've got a Icon knife I'll be using. Just open this up. Yeah, I really can't beat that price. Excuse to have your kids come in the store and look at these. All right. Here's all different pieces here. So we're gonna pop these all out. One thing I gotta be careful, I've got a cat here that loves taking little pieces like this. Sometimes he steals my tools too off my shop bench, little ones. It takes me a while to find them. He goes up my shop to catch the mice. Got the first one popped out. All right, we got the second one popped out. And these are not labeled in numbers all. So it might be a little bit challenging to read this, especially if at my age trying to read this. Okay, let's put it together. So I got these all spread out. It's been many years since I put any puzzle together, by the way. So it looks like this will take some time. So I started on putting all the wheels together and all these parts that are similar, so I can easily grab them and put it together. So I got all the wheels here. Something I'd normally do if kids are my grandkids, but I have 3 kids, upper 20s and 30s, and none of them are interested in having their own children. It seems to be a trend with young adults now. I saw a lot of reviews on this that look like they bought these for their grandkids. So the first thing I'm gonna put together is the wheels. Okay, I have the 6 wheels together. I don't know if that's the easy part or hard part. All right, next put the wheels on. All right, we got the wheels on. This wood's actually really sturdy. I've been pressing pretty hard on some of these parts. It's getting there. So I'm done with section 1. Now, one thing it does say, it recommends putting paper in between these joints to make them more secure, but I haven't been doing that. It seems pretty stiff how it is right now. All right, now I'm gonna go on to section 2. I've just been using my Icon knife just to pop that's the machine's stuff out, which you don't need. That's a scrap. Okay, I have section 2 done, which is this. Even though it says B12, B3, all these are labeled, there isn't any. These are not marked at all, which is fine. Makes it more challenging. I don't see any reference number on these. Okay, let's go on to section 3. All right, So I have section 3 complete. Now we're going to go to 4. All right, so I have section 4 done. Now last one's a 5. So far it's going pretty good, pretty easy. All right, and there we are. It's finished. These are the leftover scrap piece you're going to have. We're just going to take the Harbor Freight vacuum those up. And there we have it. Fairly easy, even though all those numbers on these parts don't reference anything. You can easily just identify which ones go together. All right, guys. Like I said, check it out. $1.49 for these puzzles. All right, thanks for watching.